Are you ready for a game changer in the world of midsize sedans? The 2025 Honda Accord Coupe is back, bigger, sleeker, and more high-tech than ever. This new generation has everything you love about the Accord with some impressive upgrades you don't want to miss. But before we dive into all the exciting details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this with your friends who are Honda fans so they don't miss out on the latest updates about this iconic car. The 2025 Honda Accord Coupe is set to make waves with its larger cabin, sleek new styling, and advanced tech features. Let's break it down, starting with the base LX trim. You can expect a 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster, a 7-inch touchscreen, cloth seats, automatic climate control, and near-field keyless entry. For those looking for more luxury, the EX trim steps it up with a sunroof, heated side mirrors, heated front seats, an 8-speaker sound system, and a 10-way power driver seat. Now, what's under the hood? The 2025 Honda Accord Coupe will likely carry over the powerful 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, delivering 192 horsepower and 192 lb-ft of torque. With a continuously variable transmission, CVT, sending power to the front wheels, it strikes a great balance between power and fuel efficiency. And although Honda hasn't officially confirmed, there's speculation that all-wheel drive could be on the horizon for future models. Speaking of efficiency, the Accord continues to impress with an EPA rating of 29 miles per gallon in the city, 37 miles per gallon on the highway, and a combined 32 miles per gallon for gas-powered models. Of course, if you're looking for better fuel economy, the Accord Hybrid is still an excellent option. When it comes to safety, Honda doesn't hold back. The 2025 Accord is expected to be loaded with driver assistance features. Every Accord comes standard with lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams, traffic sign recognition, and automatic emergency braking. And here's a bonus for EX trim buyers: blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert, which could become a standard feature for 2025. And don't forget, the Honda Accord has been recognized as an IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus, which is the highest safety rating in the industry. So what about the price? While Honda hasn't released official pricing for the 2025 Accord yet, we expect a slight increase. The current LX model starts at $28,990, while the EX begins at $31,005. We should have more concrete information as the release date approaches. As for availability, if we follow last year's delivery schedule, the 2025 Honda Accord Coupe is expected to hit dealerships this fall. We'll be sure to update you with more details as we get closer to the launch. Keep an eye out for any new tech upgrades that might be introduced closer to the release date. There's a chance Honda could surprise us with more premium features or enhancements to the hybrid model. That's all for today's update on the 2025 Honda Accord Coupe. If you're excited about this release, be sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official launch, and as always, thanks for watching.